Hi, Craig Howie here of the Howie Endurance Project. Lately I've been getting a lot of questions about how to set up a Garmin, how to set up the various settings and things for workouts on the Garmin. One of the most common questions is, how do I set up the data fields? So I thought I'd make a quick video here of how to set up your data fields. Let's go ahead and turn it on using the power button here. Just press and hold. Get it started. Normally if you're about to go out for a workout here, you'd go ahead and let it grab satellites, which it did already, and it'll take you, the very first screen will be the first default set of data settings that they have set in there. Right now I have one set up with heart rate there in the left hand corner, distance upper right, time and pace, as you see. But if you wanted to change these settings, what you would do is start and hit mode. That's going to take you to a menu with 4 different areas to choose from. Whenever you want to choose something from a menu, just go to get it highlighted by using the arrows here. I'm going to go down to settings because we want to use settings. And whenever you want to choose something in a menu, you're going to hit the enter button there. So we'll hit enter. Okay, and now we're going to want to do some run settings. So I'm going to hit enter again. We want to set up the data fields. So I'm going to hit enter again. And this shows you, on this Garmin, the 310 XT, you have 4 different screens you can circulate through, and have 4 different batches of different data that you look at as you're going by using the arrow keys. You can turn them on and off, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and just set up run number 1, and the rest is set up the same way. So when you first click on it, when you first hit enter, it's going to ask you to select the number of fields that you want. So you can select 1, 2, 3, or 4 by pressing enter. So I'm going to press enter. And so you see the number 4 there. If you wanted less, you'd hit the down arrow key, 3, 2, and 1. You see the screen splitting to 1, 2, or 3, or 4. Just for simplicity's sake, let's go ahead and go to 2. So once you've decided on what you want, we're going to go ahead and hit enter. Now, what it's telling you here is use the up-down arrow keys to highlight which of the fields you want to set. So I'm going to hit enter, and you can see the top one there is heart rate, and it's highlighted. If I want to change the other one, I'd hit the arrow key, go down to distance, and so on. Once you have it highlighted, you hit enter again, and it's going to take you to this menu of all the various types of data that you can have displayed, which is pretty amazing, the number of things you can look at now on a Garmin. So you would just go through, find the one you want. Let's say we wanted to look at, let me find a good one. Let's say we wanted to look at your pace for the current lap. Okay, fine, hit enter. So from now on, that top screen is going to give you pace for the current lap that you've hit. So I'm going to change this back to heart rate. As you can see, various heart rates. You can use very detailed ways to set up your heart. So I'm just going to choose current heart rate. Set it right there. So from there, you can go ahead and just set up however many screens you want. If you wanted to set up one of the other 4, just hit the button, go down, hit the mode button, go down and choose the other screen that you want to set up, and go from there. Hope this helps. Right at the end of this video, right after this turns off, I'll have a picture of all the various sets of data you can have on a 310 XT and kind of describe what they do. Hope this helps.